Hey hungry people, I'm Blair.
And I'm Alexa.
And we are so excited to welcome you to a very special edition,
our Midnights episode!
But we're not just referencing the time of day, right?
Exactly, so in honor of Taylor Swift's new album, Midnights, we're going to be making a very special treat for you guys.
That's right, y'all. We're going to be bringing you some double chocolate chip cookies, very much inspired by the Midnights era, or what we know of it so far.
Oh, absolutely. Now, Blair, I know it's a very sunny afternoon today. There was no midnight rain present, but I just gotta say, you're looking absolutely gorgeous. What era are you giving me today?
Okay, so obviously we had to dress to impress
Exactly.
a little bit. So although I got a couple shades of maroon, I'm definitely feeling more of a lover kind of vibe. Maybe I'm manifesting my own lover era. Viewers at home, you guys can follow me along there, I'm sure.
Absolutely.
What are you thinking?
I'm giving my combination reputation, and I tried with the blue to be Midnights, but you know, I do wish this jacket was bejeweled. But Blair, I have a question for you. Are you just as excited as I am to make these midnight cookies?
Oh, I am absolutely thrilled. Not to be the anti-hero, but I think they're going to be better than revenge.
Oh, absolutely. Now guys, at home, you have to follow along because
we don't want you to be on your own, kid. Alright, stay tuned. We're going to jump into the ingredients, y'all. Alright, friends, so now we're going to guide you through this lovely labyrinth of ingredients.
Now, Blair, I just have to make a prediction here. I think these cookies are going to be bigger than the whole sky.
Oh, I totally agree with you. I mean, they were recommended by one of our lovely crew members, Shannon. Apparently she makes it with her family every single year for Christmas. So it's almost like we're at a Christmas tree farm.
But also it's going to give us this homey feeling that she shares with her family and that we have here with our college family.
Oh, exactly. Alright, so diving into ingredients, obviously guys, you're going to need some flour, you're going to need some granulated sugar, we also have some chopped walnuts. Obviously take them out if you're allergic to nuts. They're still good without them. And then we're going to need about 3/4 a stick of butter.
And then you're definitely going to need some cooking spray, some baking powder, an assortment of Ghirardelli chocolate chips, you know, up to your preference, but we have semi-sweet and dark chocolate here, and then you're also going to need a carton of eggs.
Yes, so very, very simple, fun cookie stuff.
Really excited.
Okay, friends, so now we're ready to actually dive into making this incredible recipe. We're starting off with the double boil method.
So I just gotta say, I think we're the masterminds of this double boil method. Blair, why don't you tell the viewers at home what this method is, because I wasn't sure what it was in the first place.
Yes, I'm so glad we got to learn a new thing today on College Eats. So basically the double boil method is you have a pot on the stove and make sure that there's boiling water inside of it, and then you put a mixing bowl inside of the pot that's already the pot that's already boiling. And then what we did is we poured in a whole bag, entire bag of those dark chocolate chips, and then we added together 3/4 a stick of butter.
And then what you're gonna want to do after that is take 3 eggs and a cup of sugar and put that in its own separate bowl and mix it all together.
Hello again. Okay, so honestly, guys, this recipe is looking so good. It's making me believe that snow on the beach is possible.
And I absolutely think making this recipe is our good karma for the weekend.
Oh, definitely. I feel so powerful right now. I could definitely get up to some vigilante stuff with you this weekend.
But to continue on with this recipe, once you have the chocolate and butter mixture all mixed up, you're gonna have to combine that mixture with the egg and sugar mixture.
Yes, and now that we have those two mixtures together, we're adding in our last 2 ingredients. Last but certainly not least, you're adding in a 1/3 cup of flour and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So sorry, I lied. We still have 2 more fun ingredients to add to this mixture. Now we have a full cup of walnuts and a full bag of our semi-sweet chocolate chips.
So now, once all of that is added, you're gonna put that mixture in the fridge and let it chill for an hour.
Okay, so what you're gonna want to do now is you're gonna preheat your oven to a lovely little 375 degrees.
And let me tell you, these cookies baked pretty swiftly.
They really tailored themselves to our needs, you could say. But yeah, and then you cook them for 10 to 12 minutes. We would definitely recommend sticking a toothpick in to check if they're cooked. But how do you think they're looking so far?
Oh, they look divine.
Indeed. Okay, so we just took our cookies out of the oven. This recipe made 24 cookies.
So you're all set.
Hey, you can bring these for your friends of friends, your friends' dogs, everyone can enjoy them.
You can bake these and then listen to Midnights as you bake for a listening party.
Hey, one cookie for almost every
Song.
song.
Exactly.
Alright, so we're gonna dive into these. I'm very excited right now. Also, we just discovered that Alexa and I have the same favorite Taylor Swift song.
Guys, could you guess?
3, 2, 1.
Getaway car.
I think this is the ultimate benchmark of friendship, so I'm very excited about
So
it.
we were already best friends, but this just secured it. Tied the knot, if you will.
Alright, you ready to choose?
Absolutely.
A little messy.
This is so good.
Guys, this is a chocolate wonderland. I'm actually obsessed. You know what would go so well with this?
Oh, I feel it.
I may not be in a lavender haze, but add some lavender lemonade.
Oh, and then you got me sold. These cookies are how you get the girl, but also they're better than a sweet nothing.
Oh, 100%. Okay, I think these cookies remind me of what it felt like when I was like 8 years old, listening to the "You Belong to Me" music video. Like that, just nostalgia. It feels like a warm hug.
So true. I feel like these cookies are better than a bakery. Like I feel like we really topped the scale with
We
this
really
one.
did it.
We really did it in style.
Should I put a paper ring on it?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, this is my lover.
I'm sorry, we're having way too much fun today here. But we're so glad y'all tuned in, and please be sure to check us out on social media for all of your cooking needs. It was so wonderful talking to you guys on
College Eats.
College Eats, Blair and Alexa's version.